1, 2, 3. Max is fun. Max is fun. Max is fun. 1, 2, 3. Max is fun. Max is fun. And Max is always fun. Hi student. Are you excited to get to know about today's topic? Yeah, I knew that. Hooray! Today we are going to share about the implementation of assessment in the current primary school mathematics curriculum. Let's get started, everyone. Do you all want to know about us? My name is Renukah Ravi from Unit BM5 and I'm going to be your first presenter.
And my name is Vaithishwary Velmurugan from Unit BM2. Nice to meet you, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am Siti Nurnadhirah Binti Zulkipeli from Unit BM5. Let's get on our discussion.
What is meant by assessment? Do you know about that? So, let's find out. Assessment. Assessment is the process of gathering evidence about a student's knowledge, ability to use, disposition toward mathematics, and making inferences from the evidence for a variety of purposes. Assessment play a main role in students' life. Here are some examples of assessment that we need to know. The examples are problem solving, student self-assessment, survey, model, and portfolio. We chose a problem-solving assessment for this discussion. This assessment is for Year 3 Mathematics and the content standard is 6.2 Maths. As we have chose the assessment, now we are going to set up the problem-based question. Are you ready? Wow, look at this animation. Guess what place is this? Yes, you are right. This is a housing area. The situation is Miss Ali is packing to move to another house in the city. He packs 24 boxes each loaded with all of his stuff. Each box can load up to 10 kg and 500 grams. The trolley he is using to move can take up to 42 kg at a time. Based on the situation, there are two questions which students need to answer. Question number 1. What is the total mass of the 24 boxes in kg? And question number 2. How many trips does it take Miss Ali to move if he only has one trolley? Throughout this assessment, for this problem-based question, we will able to focus on 3 learning standards, which is 6.2.1. Convert unit of mass involving kilogram and gram. 6.2.4. Solve the number sentences involving multiplication of units of mass by a 1-digit number involving kilogram and gram. And 6.2.5. Solve the number sentences involving division of unit of mass with a 1-digit number involving kilogram and gram. And next is going to be continued by Vaithishwary Velmurugan. You may proceed, Vaithish.
Thank you, Renu. Now it's my turn. Moving to the next slide, the performance standards for knowledge. Based on the activity and also the situation chosen, it is clear that the performance level is 5, where the students will be able to solve daily routine problems involving measurement using various strategies. So, it is clear that the performance level is 5. The next is about the performance standard for knowledge for the student to achieve based on level 5. At that level, student will be able to solve daily routine problems involving math by using various strategies. Daily routine problems can be told as the problem based on real-life situation, or else the problems which are faced often by the students. So, the example is the total mass of the boxes that can be brought in the trolley at a time. This example is particularly chosen from the situation created at the beginning. Yes, the following is about the various strategies where students are able to use more than one operation to solve the problem. There are many mathematics operations that students have studied, such as subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, and many more. The next is about the performance standards for skills and processes based on the performance level of 5, where students are able to solve complex routine problems using various strategies. Based on this, the main thing is about the problem solving. Yes, the assessment type which is chosen. Based on this, students will not only be able to use the only one strategy taught by the teacher. Mainly, students will be able to explore more new strategies and ideas to solve an equation or else a problem question. Reasoning is about student able to solve the accurate justification for mathematics activity involving routine problem solving. And also, the communication is about able to explain mathematical ideas systematically using the correct mathematical language, symbol, or visual representation to solve routine problems. So, after looking at the question or else the type of assessment, students will not just jump into the conclusion. They will also not jump into an answer, whereas they will analyze the question and also they understand the question and find strategy to solve it and also justification to show that the answer is correct. That is what explained in reasoning and communication. Later on is about the connection, where student will be able to connect concept and procedure to solve daily routine problems using various strategies. So, the topics that they learn in the classroom, they do not just understand it as theory, or else they will also use those theories to be related in their daily routines so that they know if there is a problem, for sure there will be a solution for it. So students will always be able to think and react. The following is about using various representation to solve daily routine problem using various strategies. So, next is going to be continued by another group member. So, stay tuned.
Thank you very much, Vaithishwary. Let's carry on with the following slide, everyone. Hope you are gaining knowledge and enjoying it. Complex daily routine problems are often faced by people. So students should be taught about this to increase their ability to solve them. There are various strategies to solve daily routine problems based on our own creativity level. For question 1, which is what is the total mass of the 24 boxes in kilogram, is answered by two students, student A and B. But student A and B had answered using the same strategy by converting 500 grams into kilogram by dividing with 1000 and multiplying the answer by 24. Thus, they both have gotten the same answer, which is the total mass of the 24 boxes is 252 kilograms. This shows the student have mastered a formula level of 5 in the skill process. The second question is, how many trips does it take Mr. Ali to move if he only has one trolley? And here is the method of answering by student A. Student A has used the strategy of finding how many boards are used for one trip, then finding the total number of trips. Thus, 6 trips needed to move the 24 boxes by using one trolley. Here we could see the method of answering student B, who found the mass of all boxes and then find the number of total trips. And he have gotten the same answer too, which is 6 trips needed to move the 24 boxes by using one trolley. So, it is clear that both the students have used this different strategy to get the answer, and they have master level in skill level. The student step of justification explain their understanding well. Based on performance standard for attitude and values, students have achieved the third level, where people are able to show attitude and values related to the mathematics in a given situation. So students are capable to understand the situation given and relate it to the mathematics assessment very well.
So that's all from us, everyone. I hope our explanations were crystal clear. Looks like problem solving is a type of assessment which enables student A and also student B to make accurate justification through various strategies.
Now we are at the end of this discussion.
If you find our content useful,
Please do not forget to like.
comment, and share.
Maths is always fun.